Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to take you inside a little look into my day, these summer days home on quarantine. So here's what I'm doing. So things are kind of boring around here since we're on quarantine and we can't really go anywhere. Usually I am traveling to different places over the summer. I usually visit my family in Greece, but this year everything's been canceled. So this is my office. I have this set up for when I film my videos and when I teach with my students virtually. You can see that this is a cool light that I have to help with some lighting. I'm going to show you my dog. This is his favorite spot here. Say hi, Chewy. He is a 3.5-pound Yorkie. He's not a puppy. He's actually turning 8 in August. And he's just super tiny. He's a toy, but he's pretty small. So this is his favorite spot. I have this extra bed in the office, and he loves to kind of just look out the window and see who is walking by. This is my workspace. I bought this standing desk once we went on quarantine because I was getting such bad back pains. So the cool thing about it is it can stand up. Like right now I'm standing. It's really easy to type with and to use. And then I can just press down like this and the whole thing lowers in one click. I have this external monitor. I just find it easy when I'm making and designing. And then I got an external keyboard and mouse. So it has this separate spot. You can take this off. It does stick out a little. But I find that it's really helping me, especially with standing up. So I'll try to rotate. I'll sit and then I'll be like, let me stand up for a little bit and go back and forth. It's really nice out today. I'm going to take my dog for a walk and enjoy some fresh air. Come on, sweetie. So I'm going to do a little bit of baking. Just going to put my apron on here. I had some ripe bananas, so I figured I would make some banana bread. These ones are ready to go, perfect for banana bread. So I like to use a recipe that my friend recommended. It's from Tasty, and it's just a 1 bowl banana bread recipe. Hey Google, show a recipe for 1 bowl banana bread.
Here are some recipes I found. There are 9 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions.
Being a tech teacher, my home is very much set up as a smart home, so I love using my Google Home to help me with recipes. It's so easy just to say them and then it walks me through it. So let's get started. I first mush up all of the bananas. You can use a fork, so it's pretty easy to do. And once it's creamy, you're going to begin adding more ingredients. You can add in your vanilla, you can add in some sugar, and I just use 1 bowl. You're adding in your flour, mix everything up, and keep it all in the same bowl. And once it's creamy and it feels like a pancake kind of batter, you can throw in a variety of chocolate chips. I like dark and milk chocolate. And then it's ready for the oven. And after about 30 minutes, you have banana muffins. I'll link it below. So my muffins came out pretty good. I did banana bread, chocolate chip, but I threw them in muffin tins just so that they're easy to grab and go. And then I cooked some dinner. I made some vegetables, fresh vegetables from a local farm, and mixed it in with some pasta, kind of like a pasta primavera, but not as good. And now it's getting towards the night, and I'm just gonna do some work on my computer and then get ready to relax. I've been trying to promise myself that around 7 o'clock I would get off the computer and just do like things around the house or watch some TV, but I find myself a lot of times doing work until like 10 at night, so I'm trying to get more on task this summer. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see more videos, just subscribe so that you stay connected, and let me know in the comments how you set up your days.